Welcome to our luxury horn workshop. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium grey Brahman bull horns are transformed into beautiful handcrafted leather and horn products.
Grids. Each grey Brahman horn is carefully selected, then precisely cut by CNC machines. This process maximizes the strength.
Check the tolerances on the bell curve here. It's slightly off the gold standard. Humidity spiked, but the system compensated. We're green across the board now.
And that's how premium grey Brahman bull horns are transformed into luxury handcrafted products, from raw natural horn to world-class craftsmanship. Thanks for joining us.